Do you always burn fire when cooking? Yes! Because we have a lot of oil. Yoel. No idea. You don't have any idea. Just search it in YouTube. I mean in Google. Just search it in Google. What's butiti fish? I don't like to eat that one because that's poisonous. That's poisonous. If you eat butiti, you will die. But someone can eat that one. When the time goes down. Na na. Ah yeah. Yeah. Na 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 na. Na, 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 na. Of course, I'm a chef. Personal chef. Personal. Personal naman hinoon. Professional, I mean. I'm a professional. Professional tambay. I have a friend that lives in Secure Island and she will eat any fish. She is a woman in the house video I sent to you. Me too, I will eat any kind of fish except butiti. As I have said, I don't eat butiti. Unsa man?
Gabi naman guna ang dagko sa pot.
Huwag yung sunog ay.
Sunog ay.
Huwag yung sunog.
Sunog nga.
Plastic ako. Na.
Ang alam mo kasi nagitang saksak. Sa taya.
My favorite pick short.
Bang dugit.
Ano? It's a pick short. Nah, lagi nagsanog Gcash. Wala na yun po ang revenue eh. 20 clickers dito.
Subayo daw kasi na
Naman. She is a YouTuber.
Gabilod na.
Lahat mama basta di amoy pik. Nangangamoy na, walang ligo eh. Nangangamoy na to, walang ligo eh. Oh, dalawa. Nag-ongoing na ang pan. July.
Di ang tumusunod.
Ha?
Di ang tumusunod. Basta lapas na ako ang stress.
Yeah, okay. Sakil! Hello, good evening to you. Good evening.